It's a new 2020 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Remote engine start smart device. Hands-free liftgate. Automatic transmission. Four-wheel drive. Integrated navigation system. Dual zone climate control. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. And twin-turbo V6 engine. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.